subway doors keep sliding fast, faces turning into glass. I'm running lines inside my head, trying to forget what you said. Tunnel lights blur overhead, like thoughts I never finished yet. Every station feels the same, just different ways to say your name. I keep chasing what I lost, even when it drags the cost. Every step feels out of phase, like I'm moving through a maze. Broken compass lights and subways, pulling me through all the wrong ways. Every memory detonates, turning silence into waves. Fast heart, bright sparks, your shadow cutting through the dark. We keep crashing into someday. Broken compass lights in subways. Full screen flickers in my hand, unread messages I can't stand. Every word you didn't say still controls me anyway. Funny how I'm missing peace can turn motion into grief. I keep looping through the sound of a love I can't slow down. No stop, no break, just the tremor that you make. Every second bends and twists, like I'm falling into this. Maybe chaos is the map where the broken moments snap. Maybe lost is just a phase before everything rewrites its shape. Broken compass lights in subways. Every scar ignites the runway. Every wound turns into frequency, pulling me into your gravity. Hard fall, high call, your memory inside it all. We keep crashing into someday. Broken compass lights in subways. I try to outrun the sound of your absence underground, but the silence wasn't gone. It just followed me along in every version of myself. Still keeps you somewhere on the shelf, like a signal I can't turn off, no matter how I break it off. Broken compass. Broken compass. Broken compass. Lights in subways, still alive through all the wrong ways. Every fracture turns to starlight, guiding me back through the night. Fast heart, bright sparks, even lost can leave a mark. We keep crashing into someday. Broken compass lights in subways. Tracks dissolve into the air, city breathing everywhere. And for once I understand, being lost was in the plan.